if you are preparing for BMR CL SCTO post, then this is a list for all the students score. If you will be shortlisted in this stage of examination, then definitely you will have psycho test, and for that psycho test you must have to prepare from this platform. Okay, now see how you will practice for online psycho test series, just like final exam interface. Remember one thing, don't confuse with another teacher and don't choose any wrong platform. You must have to practice for psycho test on laptop with the help of final exam like test interface. Okay, if you don't practice on final exam like test interface, then definitely you will have problem during the final exam. Clear? Now try to understand completely about psycho test format. Clear? See how you will give test series on Unlimited Education platform. There are free test series also. If you want to check, then definitely come to this website and do practice for free test and see the difference from the other platform. Okay, open simply Google. I have seen many students are having some problem during opening the website, so just open Google. Okay, you all know how to open Google on your laptop. Just type Unlimited Education. Just type simply Unlimited Education. Unlimited Education. Okay, this is the best psycho test platform in India. So you will get easily all from top to bottom only about Unlimited Education. You will see all the information, ratings are there. Just open a first link, that is unlimitededucation.in. Okay, just open this link. This interface will come. Unlimited Education, be best at psycho test. This is the timeline for Unlimited Education, be best at psycho test. Now see, ALP psycho test is there, Metro exam psycho test is there, GDCA station master psycho test is there, DFCCI psycho test is there. You are preparing for Metro exam psycho test. Okay, either you have a BMR CL SCTO psycho test or GMRC psycho test or any other Metro exam psycho test. Just click on Metro exam psycho test. Okay, more test series will come, more videos will come, more PDF will come. You don't have to think about this. This is my platform under my control. Okay, I will increase the test series, I will increase the number of attempts. If you have any problem, simply message me, do WhatsApp message at 9907373053. Okay, simply do the WhatsApp message 99037233053. Okay, don't call. Clear? You can see here one full test that is free here, and sectional test. If you click on sectional test, then according to final exam pattern, memory test is there, personality test is there, intelligence test is there, concentration test is there, embedded figure test is there. Okay, now do register at this website. Okay, and then try to attempt demo test available. Once you register at this website, a interface will come like this. Clear? If you have any problem, just see test series is there. Click on test series. You will have all test series package here in front of you. Just click on Metro exam psycho test. Okay, see, full test is there, sectional test is there. I am going to start a full test so that you people will completely understand about psycho test pattern, psycho test language, psycho test, all features about psycho test, and you have to practice. See, no any other platform is available in India for the preparation for psycho test. Okay, if you find some other platform, then simply ask to provide final exam like test interface. They will not give. Okay, because they don't have. They will simply tell you just do the preparation. If you will do the preparation, then definitely you will score in final exam. No, this is bad. You have to practice on final exam test interface. Clear? See, let's start this test. Same test will come during your final exam. Click on the next button. Try to listen my each and every line clearly so that you people will understand. First section you will get in final exam, that is track memory instruction page. Memory page instruction page, that will be for 5 minutes. You are practicing this test series at your home so that you can skip instruction, so that you will save your 5 minutes. Okay, but in final exam you won't be able to skip. You have to wait for 5 minutes. Remember one thing, in final exam you have to wait for 5 minutes. This entire test series time will automatically come, automatically time will lapse. You don't have to do anything. In final exam skip option will not be given. Okay, but this test series I have given to you so that you will able to save your time. Clear? So first memory test instruction page will come. Left side you will get in English, right side you will get in Hindi. Only 2 language is there for psycho test, nothing other. Okay, if you are comfortable in English, then simply read instructions in English. If you are comfortable in Hindi, then simply read instructions in Hindi. Clear? Here you see that number of questions is 24, time allotment is 8 minutes. Clear? Rest instructions you can read. After 5 minutes, here you can skip this instruction for saving the time, but in final exam you won't be able to skip. After 5 minutes you will be switched to next section. In the next section 2-minute timer will start and memory page 1 you will see. Now you have to memorize the figure where the particular station is. You will have to remember. Suppose RXT is there. Okay, UTA is in the top, TNA is in the bottom. You have to memorize this for 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes you have to memorize. Just after 2 minutes means time will finish and you will able to move automatically for the next section. So I am going to show you now. So I submit this section. See, next section will come. Timer, again timer starts for 2 minutes. Clear? Now you have to answer this question, whatever you have memorized in the previous memory page. After 2 minutes again, next section you will go to the next section and timer for 1 minute will come. This is the rest time. In this 1 minute you have to rest your mind. Clear? After 1 minute you will go to the next section. Okay, same, but this is memory test 2. Clear? After 2 minutes you will go to next section. Clear? Now you have to solve. Your memory test is finished now. You have seen, you have given 8 minutes and total number of questions is 12 in one set and 12 in another set. Total questions is 24. Okay, now you will go to next section. Again 1 minute break time. After that again 5 minute instruction page will come. Again you have to read instruction page. If you are comfortable in English, then simply read in English. If you are comfortable in Hindi, then simply read in Hindi. This section is known as intelligence test. A station master intelligence test is different and metro exam intelligence test is different. In metro exam, figure formation test, this intelligence test is also known as figure formation test. In this type of test, suppose you will be given the combination of 3 or 4 figure and you have to find out the which figure will form after combining all the given 3 to 4 figure, just like C. Now after 5 minutes again you will go to the another section. Since you are practicing this test series at your home, so that I have given the skip option, so you will save your 5 minutes. Clear? Now go to the main section that is in this section you will get 25 questions and 10 minutes time. See, your 10-minute timer is running and you have to solve this 25 questions. Remember one thing, auto save option is there, so you don't have to save. See, you are not able to see anywhere save option, okay? So you don't have to save. Auto save option is there. In final exam you will get auto save feature. This test series is 100% similar to final exam test interface. I have spent so many amount and so many times for preparing the test series. Okay, you can see the quality of test series also. If you are preparing from any other platform, then simply compare the quality. This test series is completely free. I am not forcing you to purchase this test series. Just see the demo, see the quality, compare the quality from any other platform. Then if you are interested about your career, if you are serious about your career, then you can simply take this test series. My suggestion is for you, take this course from the app, link is given below, and I will give the access for this test series free of cost. Okay, if you take the course from app, then you will have access for app also, and I will give the access for this test series free of cost. Means you will have the access for both the platform, app as well as website. If you want to take this test series from website, then simply take it from website, but you will not be able to use app. Okay, ultimately you have to come at website. If you are taking the course from website, then well and good. If you are taking the course from app, then I will switch you to this website. Okay, in both the cases you have to practice from this website only and on laptop. You can't do the preparation for psycho test on mobile. Okay, you have to use laptop. Here timer is running. Just I have to show you now submit section. Now again 1 minute rest time or break time will come. In this time you just relax your mind. After that, third section, that is concentration test, will come. Instruction page again for 5 minutes. You have to wait for 5 minutes. Okay, during this 5 minutes study clearly about instructions. Remember one thing, during the final exam, when 5 minute timer will come for instruction time, try to read and understand clearly what instruction is given. Sometimes they change the pattern. Suppose here similar figure you have to find, but during the final exam they will ask for you the different figure. So you have to read the instructions, okay, clearly. Now after 5 minutes you will go to the next section. Okay, this test is known as observation test. In this section you will get 5 minute time and 30 questions. Remember, this section is difficult, so you have to practice more and more. At least 20 tests I will give you with 5 attempts or 8 attempts, so that you can practice easily. You do the practice more and more at this platform. No any restriction is there from my side. Okay, I can increase the test series, number of test series, I can increase the number of attempts. Only you have to do one thing, do practice, practice and practice. Don't think about test series or number of attempts. This is my problem. Okay, see, 30 questions is given and 5 minute time is given, and you have to score at least 20 plus to qualify this test. Clear? Now go to the next section. Again 1 minute break time will come. After 1 minute you will go to the next section. This section name is field independence test. Another name of this test is embedded figure test. Similarly, you can see the server speed, smoothness of the test series, picture quality of the test series, explanation quality of the test series. Okay, now after 5 minutes again you will go to the next section, that is main section. In this particular section, again you will get 25 questions and 10-minute instructions time. You can see the timer is running according to the section. Okay, different time will be given to the different section. In concentration test 5 minutes will be given. In memory test 2 minutes will be given. In intelligence test or field independence test 10 minutes will be given. In personality test 12 or 15 minutes will be given. Clear? Okay. Now just go to the next section. 1 minute break time will come. After that personality test will come. Again 5 minute instruction is there. Just read the instruction. Number of questions will be 36 in personality test and time allotment will be 15 minutes. Okay. This type of personality test you won't be able to get in all over India at another platform. I am going to show you the test interface. And remember one thing, you people are able to solve these 36 questions during 4 to 5 minutes easily, but this is the wrong approach. Many students fail in this particular section, so you have to focus on personality test more and more. So I have given 20 test series with detailed explanation. I have given 20 test series for personality test in detailed explanation. So you don't have to check your wrong answer only. You have to check each and every question's solution given in this test. Each and every question explanation given in each test. Clear or not? Okay. Now after again 5 minutes you will go to the next section, that is main section. In personality test you can see here left side English language is there, right side Hindi language is there, and again right side options is there. This format you will not find any other platform in all over India, and in final exam this type of test interface will come. Clear? Okay. There is no any negative marking. Paper and pen will not be given during final exam. Rough sheet will not be given during final exam. And one more thing, scroll button will not work. Okay. If you scroll this mouse scroll button, it will not work. So if you have to go to the bottom, just left click, just press left click to the scroll bar and move to the bottom top according to your preference. Clear? Remembered? Mouse scroll button will not work during final exam. So I have told you each and every details about psycho test. Clear? Scroll button will not come, pen paper will not be given, no any negative marking, accuracy doesn't matter. Psycho test interface is like this. Clear? After that submit the test. This is the your report. Number of questions, how many questions you have answered. Okay. During intelligence test I have clicked 3 options, that's why auto save option is there, na? Okay. Submit test. Submit test. Now here go to the solution. Here section wise report will come. This is not necessary to see because this is psycho test. You can't judge yourself on the basis of this score. Only one thing you have to do, practice, practice and practice, because in final exam questions will change. Okay. So if you do the practice more and more, then definitely you will be able to solve all questions in psycho test. Now go to the view solution, and if you want to check then check, otherwise just go to personality test. You can see the explanation. I told you, no, you have to see each and every question's explanation given in this personality test. If you are comfortable in English, then see the English explanation. If you are comfortable in Hindi, then see the Hindi explanation. Read the question, see the explanation, compare your answer, your thinking. with the help of this explanation. This is mandatory. Okay, so in the last I want to say that practice on laptop is must. If you have any single problem or single doubt, just do WhatsApp message at 99037230053 9907332353. You have to practice more and more. Okay, don't think about number of tests, don't think about number of attempt. This is my job. This is the best platform. Practice on a laptop from website is mandatory. Okay, clear? If you have any doubt about psychotest, then you just compare from another available platform also. That's why I have given this test series free, so that all of you can come and check at least. Now this is a lecture about psychotest final exam test interface. In the next lecture I am going to explain section wise. One lecture will come about memory test, one lecture will come about intelligence test, one lecture will come about concentration test, one lecture will come about figure embedded test, that is field independence test, and one dedicated lecture will come about personality test. So if you like my effort, then simply press a like button or try to share this lecture with your friends or try to recommend. Okay, now hope for the best for your bright future. Have a nice day. Thank you.